been an executive meeting among the four of them. Four great leaders in one room, our most senior statesmen, away from the prying eyes of the media. A personal meeting among four concerned Filipinos, all wanting nothing but what is best for the country. Napakaganda po nitong larawan na papawi sa pangamba at mabibigay ng inspirasyon sa ating mamamayan. Here in our proposed executive meeting, they will discuss and decide on matters affecting the highest public and national interest, after which they report to the Filipino people. By avoiding media presence, the focus can remain solely on finding sustainable solutions that prioritize the best interests of the public and the nation as a whole. Given their esteemed status as senior statesmen, they possess the capability to collectively determine the necessary steps to effectively confront these issues. Sana ay mapakinggan at mapagbigyan ang ating hiling. We are better off united than divided. So together with our leaders, let us continue to dream hard, pray hard, and work hard. Maraming salamat po. Ako, si Gringo Anasan, Pilipino ako, Pilipino tayo.